Welcome back to the layout, everyone. This is going to be the layout update for January 2021. I'll walk you through what I have completed on the layout so far, what I plan on doing in the near future, and we'll start off with the latest additions to my rolling stock and locomotive and vehicles. I picked up this Scale Trains Dash 9. I primarily run CSX, so this is foreign power. However, I've finally decided which road I'm going to interchange on the second level, and that's going to be Norfolk Southern, which obviously makes sense to the area that I model after. So I'll be getting this weathered, and pretty cool to have this on the layout. I also picked up these Athearn 60-foot bulkhead flat cars. I picked up 6 of them, 3 of them in the current TTX logo, and 3 with the older logos. And then Santa also got me some vehicles. So I picked up a UPS van. I have one of the Diecast Master dump trucks. Picked up a fire truck that'll get decaled, and then a garbage truck as well. So I am just about done on the lower level with the scenery. What I'm working on right now is I have some telephone poles. I got them all in. I just need to finish running the lines. If you look over here, so this section already has the poles and the lines in. I still got some more lighting to do in the buildings and in the roadway. And eventually I'm going to start getting the crossing gates in as well. And that will pretty much knock out the lower level work until I start doing signals throughout the layout. This was the last section that I finished up with the scenery. And then as far as a maintenance item, I have turnouts 3 and 4 coming into the yard. I've should have spent a little bit more time when I was laying the track in that section. I knew it was going to be tight, and basically at the end of the day I have some cars that will derail in that area and some that don't, and it kind of more so depends on how many cars I'm pulling through, not necessarily the length. So anyways, I'm going to change out those 2 turnouts to a curved turnout that will get the radius that I need to help stop any binding. So got that to look forward to, ripping that section out. So that wraps up the January 2021 layout update. In my next video, I'll be going over the new yard expansion for where Norfolk Southern's going to interchange with CSX. you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. Be sure to hit the bell where you'll get notifications whenever I post new videos. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Also, be sure to leave a comment. I try to respond to everyone's comments. And again, thank you for watching.